Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Well, let's have a chat about gold. It seems gold over the last couple of days has really lost its shine. Now, what is going on? Now, first of all, I think it lost its shine technically. So when I look at the gold chart, I can see we had a weekly level and a monthly level of resistance up around this 1879 area. Now, it did push beyond that, but it literally fell into that dead zone, that retracement level on Fibonacci around the 62 to 79% level, where you can very often see selling off even in uptrends on a long-term retracement. Also, we had Jerome Powell come out and suggest that interest rates may need to be risen for longer. Okay, that's not so good for gold. And they was talking about the idea that they may now have inflation under control. But that's what they've been saying the whole time. So that remains to be seen. And on top of that, we've got Europe doing something about inflation by coming out with their own US-style Inflation Reduction Act. That could have an effect on gold. And as a result, what are we seeing? We've seen some pretty sharp selling off and a bounce back at major US dollar index 101.20, which we've been talking about that level here for a couple of months, has really bounced off that. So those things combined for me looks pretty normal that we could get a sell-off. I'm not seeing anything particular suggesting a total change in trend. So assuming that the technical trend is going to go higher, the things that I would be looking at is we've seen a big increase or resurgence in the Chinese gold retail market, adding to the potential furor. Now, as China comes back into play and central banks continue to buy gold, we could see this trend obviously continue. The levels that I'm going to look at is I want to see price get above and hold above that 1879 weekly resistance level. If it corrects further, then I'll be looking around that 1809 to 1800 major weekly resistance. Now, if we do get a further correction, that could be an interesting spot if this trend is going to continue, where you might want to look at potentially buying there. That's all from me. Have yourself a fantastic weekend.